Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this beautiful stainless steel watch band. It is gorgeous. I love how thin it is. This is so beautiful. So let's take some close-up looks, learn how to put it onto your watch, and learn how to adjust it. So if you forget how to put this on your watch, on the back you have a little tiny thing to press right here. You're going to press that and this comes off. And then you do the same thing here. You press this and then it just slides right off and then you can slide it back on. The watch band is so nice. It's gorgeous. It has a really high polish to it, nice and sturdy, and it is nice and thin. So let's compare it to my other watch band. It just gives it such an elegant look because it is thinner. If you need to adjust this, it comes with an adjuster tool. This is it here. I've already adjusted my watch. So what you're going to do is on the back here, you can see the little arrows, okay? This tool unscrews and then you are going to put this on that arrow. I'm going to show you up close here. And you are going to twist. And when you twist, you can see right here that this pin is coming out. So once you get that pin out, you can pull this pin out and then it comes apart. So now you have the two pieces. When you need to put it back together, you are going to slide the pieces together and then you are going to slide the pin in here and then it just slides the whole way through. You can see there's this little tiny piece hanging out right here, and then all you're going to do is get your tool and pop this back in. That's it, so easy. And then you have this perfect band that fits you like a glove. Such a gorgeous watch band. So comfortable, so durable. So if you need a new watch band, I am telling you, this one is super high quality, super beautiful, absolutely loving it. Definitely check this one out.